Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo.
Let us help you how to chant the Daimoku, also known as Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Fast and easy way. Start with the U in Namu. Say it as a short moo, like the middle sound in moon. To get this right, we teach children this little trick. Repeat out loud at a steady pace. Moo-maa-mee, 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 na-moo-mee. Keep going until you feel your mouth round that U into a clear moo.
Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, Namu.
Now, syllable by syllable. Namu, na-moo, myoho, myoho, renge, kyo, kyo. Once these sounds sit right in your mouth, place them on a 4-beat rhythm. Beat 1. Namu. 2 short, crisp syllables inside 1 beat. Beat 2. Myoho. Spaced evenly. Beat 3. Renge. Spaced evenly. Beat 4. Kyo. Stretch this one long, holding the vowel for the full beat. Picture a drum keeping 4 even taps. The first 3 beats land quick and clean, like footsteps on a path. The 4th beat is where the sound opens up, like a bell struck once and left to ring out. 心を込めて、共に唱えましょう。Namu Myoho Renge Kyo.
Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo.